So a lot of people must have this mannequin, and if you observe, the neckline or the body used to peel. So in this video, I will show you the remedy on how to amend this, and it will be very perfect for use. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. So here I have my mannequin, and in recent times it doesn't allow me to snap because of its peeling at the neck region, right? So this is barely 2 years or thereabouts I bought it. So here I got a black tape, this particular black tape that is used by electricians in joining wires. So I have gone placed two strands initially before I deem it fit to make this video. So just get the tape, it's not expensive. Get it and then wrap right round the neckline of this mannequin. Bear in mind that when you're wrapping it, you should make sure that it laps on each other. Like the tape must rest on each other. There should be no gap or whatsoever. And bear in mind that once you have placed this tape, you cannot remove the tape again because the tape is so strong that it can peel off the body of this mannequin. And make sure that the joining starts from the back so that it will have its perfect finishing. So start from the center back and then tape it all right round. Follow the nature of the neckline and go right round. So this will solve you or give you a neat finishing. So just watch how this outfit or this neckline will be concealed with this tape now. So you take your time, go through all of these processes. Make sure you start from the center back and make sure that there's no air or whatsoever. Then tape it all right round. You can see already the beauty is coming out, and no one will easily find out if you did not tell the person, right? No one will easily find out. So tape it all right round, and once you have gotten to this point, you cut your threads. You also continue taping it all right round as well. Make sure that you cover the whole area this tape. Let's start from the center back. So if you are deriving knowledge from this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So this is how I got to fix this. So this is a personal discovery. I did not see this anywhere because when the neckline started peeling, I felt so bad that I wanted to go and buy a new mannequin. But the cost of the mannequin now in the market is so exorbitant that I can barely afford it. So I decided to make amends or patch the one I have already so that I can start posting my jobs again. As you can see how the neckline, the finishing now is. So this is a great remedy for your mannequin as long as you are using this black type of mannequin. Everything must be arranged properly. So you make sure you lap the tape line very well from the beginning to the end. You lap it very well. Make sure every part is properly lapped. You lap it very well and have everything nicely done. Now you cut your threads. Sorry, not thread, rather you cut the masking tape at the back. So here, this is how I was able to achieve this. As you can see, the final look, you can still patch the body anywhere that is peeling off. You can still patch them. Cut a bit of the tape and place on top. So patching them earlier will help to stop it from tearing further. That is the advantage of patching further. So just place tapes on it. So you don't need to go and buy a new one if yours has not really gone so bad. So you check every other part that is peeling off and then drop tapes on it. So like I said, if you derive value from this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I will show you the clothes I snapped afterwards and you see how it's entered properly. So this is what I have. You can go ahead and conceal every other part. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.
I grab my sketch and make the line. Patterns flow like vintage wine.